Alright, so today I'm going to be re-welding the exhaust on the mini bike because it is cracked once again for like the 8th time. So, about to pull this off, throw it up here, angle grind off the old welds, and then throw them some new ones. Alright, so I got this all grinded down. I just grinded down this back section because it had like a tiny crack in it, but I just grinded it down anyway. And then all the way around, as you can see, because that's where the actual crack was on the other side. So got the welder fired up, so I'm just gonna weld up this back side first, get some practice in on the side that people won't see, and then flip it around and then weld the other side, and hopefully this time welds end up nice and strong. Alright, so just finished up welding this. Did not come out as good as I would have wanted it to, but yeah, that's how it all came out. It is what it is. So yeah, I'll just wire brush those up, and then I guess I'll just film again, see how they look once I've wire brushed them. Alright, so I went and wire brushed all of it up, and I kind of decided that this like front weld, it didn't turn out that good, so I kind of just dropped that glop on there with the welder quick. Kind of an idiotic move because I had to wire brush the whole thing again, but it's cool, it should be better now. So yeah, dolloped that fat one on there. These welds on the back actually came out pretty hot. This camera doesn't really know how to focus at close range, but yeah, those honestly didn't come out terrible. Oh shoot, that's hot. These front ones, not terrible either. But yeah, I'm pretty happy that they actually did fill in the gaps and everything. And they don't look terrible, except for the front one, of course. I don't know why, but every time I'm welding, the ones on the back look fire, and then these front welds, oh, I don't know. It's just the welds that people can see always just look like garbage. But yeah, that was it for today, guys. Just wanted to weld since I hadn't done it in a little while, and I haven't filmed welding in like a year, so pretty cool to get back into the fab game, you know, some custom fab work for sure. So yeah, and hopefully see you guys next time.